Hello, and welcome to Bentley Tech EDU. I'm your instructor, James Bentley, and today we're going to start by making a basic composition. Let's try something new. You'll notice I'm going to set it up to be a photo, a print, art and illustration, web and mobile, or mobile phone, and obviously I can do film and video. I am always surprised at how many presets are already in Photoshop to help people make the best images possible. Like, I may not be making a 4K video that's going to go out to Netflix, but you never know. If I'm doing mobile phones and I know I'm going to send something off to an Android or an iPad mini, I know that I can just click on this and it's going to be the correct pixel aspect ratio. But for what we're going to do, we're going to choose the photo selection, and I'm going to make an 8 by 10 document that has a 150 resolution. You can see I just changed the numbers and I can alter the orientation without any problems. What's a classic problem? Well, when they first launched Adobe Photoshop, they'll say 8 by 10 at 150, but you'll notice it says pixels, and not inches. Then when they hit the create button, they say, Bentley, why is my picture so small? And I look at it and I'm like, well, you're dealing with something that's about 8 pixels big. That's kind of small and not necessarily going to work for what we're doing. So let's change it. Here we go. I obviously drop down the pixels and change it to inches, but if you're noticing carefully, it actually says 0.0053 inches. No, that's pixel. So let's go 8 by 10 inches at 150 resolution. This little blue guy will make it vertical or horizontal, or what we call portrait or landscape. How many times have you made a document and it's the wrong orientation? Happens to me probably more than I'd like to admit. Here we have our very first blank composition window. And that is how you set up the most basic document. If you have questions, ask them. I'm always here to assist. My name is James Bentley, and I am out of here.